Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Friday, the 12th of November 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 had a strong day today, closing up 0.8% to 7,443 points, finishing the week not far off where it started, in fact. It's still 2.5% below its peak, though, notwithstanding overseas bourses are trading around record levels. After plenty of big moves all week, it was a more sedate session today. Materials, technology and energy stocks did best, while the healthcare index was the only one to go backwards. Among the large caps, Cloud Accounting Group Xero jumped 3%, regaining some of the losses from earlier in the week. South32, REA and Coles Group all ended around 2% higher. The top performer, though, was Building Materials Group James Hardie Industries, up more than 5% after its earnings update earlier in the week. It's up about 50% over the past year and is now the 17th largest company on the bourse. Gold company IGO also rose 5.1%, leading several of the gold diggers higher. The price of the precious metal is up about 3% for the week, trading around $1,857 an ounce. Another gold stock to do well today was Gold Road Resources, up nearly 4%, but market leader Newcrest Mining was down nearly 2%. Like yesterday, it was a good day for the miners all around. Higher iron ore prices pushed up Champion Iron by nearly 5%, while Rio Tinto, BHP and Fortescue Metals all outperformed the market. Again, the battery metals companies did well, including Pilbara Minerals, Nickel Mines, Orocobre and Lynas Rare Earths. The worst performer of the top 200 today was healthcare group Fisher & Paykel Healthcare, which dropped nearly 3%, and engineering group Monadelphous, which was off 2.9%. There wasn't a lot of corporate news around. Link's share price jumped 3.5% after it received an $86 million offer for its banking and credit management arm, and Zip Co rose 3.7% on news that it had completed its acquisition of European buy now, pay later provider Twisto Payments. It's been a rough 24 hours for the Aussie dollar. It's now buying less than 73 US cents. The immediate trigger for its devaluation against the greenback was US inflation figures earlier in the week. Now, they may cause the Federal Reserve to lift interest rates sooner than expected. Higher rates in the US relative to Australia supports the US currency. The Aussie dollar isn't the only one being affected. In fact, the US dollar is trading at a 16-month high. Recapping Wall Street, it was a mixed session with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 finishing higher, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average closed lower. The main corporate news this morning was the disappointing September earnings results from Disney. That's it for the afternoon market report for Friday, the 12th of November, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join Michael Thompson and I tomorrow morning for the weekend edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.